Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to start a new 7th class chapter 1 of English subject, that is Town Mouse and the Country Mouse. Town Mouse and the Country Mouse. So first, let you know the meaning of town and the country meanings. Now, first, the meaning of town. What is the meaning of town here? First, smaller than city. Smaller than city. Now the meaning of country. What is the meaning of country? Village side. Village side. Next, okay. Here town. Town means smaller than city. Country. Country means village side. Next, okay. Next. This is a face sheet. Here they gave question. Look at these two pictures and answer the questions that follow. Means you have to observe these two pictures and answer the three questions given here. Next, let's observe this picture first. Here, what do you notice in these two pictures? This side is village side. Village side. And next, this side is town side. One second. Town side. Town side. Okay. So this side is village side. This side is town side. Next. Write the differences you notice between the things you see in the two pictures is the first question. Write the differences you notice between the things you see in the two pictures. What are the differences you seen in this picture? This here here in this picture, this is village side and this is countryside. Next, this is one difference. And next, here there will be no means there will be only some vehicles here, only few vehicles will be available in the village side, whereas in the town side there will be many trucks, buses, cars, vehicles. Many vehicles will be there. That is second difference. And here there will be full of, in the city side there will be full of noisy and with all lights here. See this, with the traffic full of noisy and with the street lights it will be full of lights, colorful. But here in the village there will be no sound at all of vehicles, etc. And there is no street light anywhere here. And there is no street light anywhere here in the village side. Next question. So, where do you think the life is peaceful? Why? This is second question. Where do you think the life is peaceful? Why? Here, in the village side, the life is peaceful because in the village side we don't get much food, but we can eat in peace there. Okay. Next, do animals feel same like you? So the answer for this question is, for example, in the town side animals live in forest areas. For them, both the village and town, both the sides will be okay, very nice for them, for animals, both the sides. Next, Our face sheet finished. Next, this is A reading. The town mouse and the country mouse. The town mouse and the country mouse were cousins. They often wrote to each other. One day, the country mouse got his letter from his cousin. This is the part 1 video. Part 1 video this is. Part 1 video. Of this lesson, this is part 1 video. So, from this paragraph, we have what understood? What we have understood? The town mouse and the country mouse were cousins. They often wrote to each other. One day, the country mouse got his letter from his cousin. So, one day, the town mouse gave a letter to the country mouse. Next. So, let's see the letter now. This is the letter. This is the letter. I'll read it. Kitchen cupboard, Mouse Town, 11th March 2012. Dear cousin, I have been ill with cough. My doctor feels I need a holiday. He has advised me to spend a week in the country. May I stay with you? Please give me an early reply. So, from this, with warm regards, your efficiently town mouse. So, dear cousin, I have been ill with cough. So, who is ill with cough? The town mouse. Okay, next. My doctor feels I need a holiday. He has advised me to spend a week in the countryside. May I stay with you? Next. 2. This is to address. This is. To whom the town mouse is sending this letter? Country mouse. So this is country mouse address. Country mouse. So here they have mentioned, see. Country mouse, mouse hole, mouse country. Next. Receiving the invitation from country mouse, the town mouse packed his bags and caught the next train to the countryside. The day was bright and sunny, and soon the town mouse began feel hot in the train. Okay, by this paragraph we have understood that. So the town mouse packed his bags and caught the next train to the countryside. The day was bright and sunny, and soon the town mouse began feel hot in the train. I wish there was an air-conditioned coach, he said to himself. Who said to himself here? The town mouse. What the town mouse said to himself? I wish there was an air-conditioned coach. This. I wish there was an air-conditioned coach. This line he said to himself. Who said to himself? Town mouse. Next. I feel very uncomfortable here. Next. However, there was nothing he could do about it. So he grumbled to himself while the train chugged slowly into the country. Here the word grumbled means grumbled. What is the meaning of grumbled here? Very dissatisfactionally. Dissatisfaction. Grumbled meaning. To himself while the train chugged slowly into the country. The word chugged meaning is making a sound from the engine. Sound from the engine. Sound from engine. Next. The country mouse was waiting at the station. Why the country mouse was waiting at the station? To receive his cousin. Oh, cousin, the town mouse said as soon as he got off the train. The train was dreadful. I feel terrible hot and thirsty. I hope you have something ice cold for me to drink at home. The word dreadful here means very very hot and terrible conditions. Hot, no air condition coach like that. I feel terribly hot and thirsty. I hope you have some ice cold for me to drink at home. Well, I have some water, said the country mouse. But I can look around for some coconut water if you like. Coconut water? Asked the town mouse in horror. So the town mouse has asked here for something ice cold, but in the countryside only water and coconut water is available. Next. Don't you have any orange juice or lemonade? I am afraid, replied his cousin. But I found a very nice piece of root today and a tender bit of sugarcane. I am sure you will enjoy that. So, don't you have any orange juice or lemonade? Said the town mouse. But I found very nice piece of root and tender bit of sugarcane. Tender means little amount. Little amount of sugarcane. Little bit. Root, sugarcane, the town mouse exclaimed. Exclaimed means said. But I don't eat raw food like that. The country mouse said, this is what we eat in the country. So I am afraid you too have to eat this. Try it. It's not bad. So here, the town mouse does not eat the raw food like root and the sugar cane. Next. The town mouse did not enjoy his dinner at all. He nibbled at the root and the sugar cane, and then he said he wanted to sleep. The country mouse showed a corner in the mouse hole and said, there you are, you can sleep there. So what happened here? The country mouse showed a corner of his hole, of the mouse hole, and said, you can sleep there. Next, what happened? On the ground? Asked the town mouse. Do I have to sleep on the ground? Yes, this is how we sleep in the country, his cousin answered. As the town mouse lay down on the hard cold ground, he suddenly thought of something. Cousin, he called out. So, the town mouse lay down on the hard cold ground. He suddenly thought of something. Cousin, he called out. Who called out? Town mouse. Yes, what is it? The country mouse asked. Why is it so quiet here? Where are all the lights, cars and lorries? Where are the radios and the televisions? Where are all the lights? So, the town mouse has going on asking the questions like this. Where are the cars like this all? Next, this is how it is in the country. His cousin replied, it is always quiet in the country. Sometimes it is quieter than today. My grandfather says that our village is the quietest among all the villages in our district. So, observe this para. It is always quiet in the country and sometimes it is quieter than today. And my grandfather says that our village is the quietest among all the villages in our district. Here, the word quiet, quieter and quietest are positive comparative superlative degree. Positive comparative and superlative degree. About the positive comparative and superlative degree, more we will be learning in the lesson. Next, here the word quite, quietest and quieter are positive comparative and superlative degrees. Next, oh, is it? The country is a strange place, said the town mouse. But he said to himself, I don't think I like this place. The next morning, the town mouse found that there was no breakfast ready. His cousin told him that they had to go to the nearby farms in search of food. We are sure to find something there, he said. A nice piece of root and a tender bit of sugar cane. So, the next morning, the town mouse saw that there was no food ready to eat in the morning breakfast. So, the country mouse answered that we have to go to the nearby farms to search of food. So, in the farms, they found a root, a nice piece of root and tender bit of sugar cane. Next. But the town mouse had enough. Thank you, cousin, he said. But I think I'll catch the next train home. I have suddenly remembered that I have forgotten something. So, after eating the breakfast, town mouse said that I'll catch the next train to the home. Next, few days later, the country mouse wrote to his cousin, the town mouse. A few days later, the country mouse wrote to his cousin, the town mouse. Here is the letter. So, after few days, after the town mouse went back to his town, the country mouse wrote a letter to the town mouse. Here is the letter. Mouse country, 22nd March 2012. My dear cousin, I hope you are well. I am worried about you. I would like to visit you and make sure you are all right. With love, your cousin, country mouse. So, next. This is to address. To whom the country mouse is sending this letter? Town mouse. To the town mouse. So, this address will be of town mouse address. 2. They wrote here, see. Town mouse, kitchen cupboard, mouse town. So, children, this is the part 1. From here, I am going to start part 2. From here, I am going to start part 2 that I will be saying in the next video. Thank you.